Flitz products are tough enough for your recreational vehicles. Flitz Flat Matte Finish Cleaner is specially formulated to clean and maintain flat and matte finishes without leaving a glossy shine. Flitz ceramic sealant will maintain that flat and matte finish and leave a protective coating against the elements for up to a full year. Nothing works easier, better, or faster than the legendary Flitz Paste Polish to clean up and clarify plexiglass windshields. Flitz Speedy Seal is a premium grade ceramic coating detailing spray. The nanotechnology based coating is ideal when you're in a hurry and need a super fast, super shine. Flitz Speedy Seal seals and protects your finishes and will not gloss flat matte finishes or wraps on your vehicle. Simply spray on and buff off for up to 6 months of protection.